Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable web search result in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. The start menu web search guys. Let's disable it. Go to search menu and type regit regedit. Registry editor opens up. You just need to click on run as administrator over here. And after that click yes guys. Now you just need to go to H key current user, expand it. After that go to software, expand it. After policies and go to Microsoft, and in Microsoft you just need to right click on Windows and click new. You just need to click key. You need to name it as E caps letter EXP LORER Explorer. Press enter. After that, after hitting Explorer, on right side you need to create it new value guys. For that you just need to click right click and new devote 32-bit value. You just need to name this value DISABLE search SEARCH. You just need to caps letter DS disable search box BOX B caps letter box suggestion S caps letter SUGGESTION suggestions box suggestions. Just press enter guys. After that double click on it and you just need to change the value data to 1. After that press OK. Just need to check you are typed correctly in here. Disable search box suggestions DISABLE SEARCH BOX SUGGESTIONS. After that go back again guys. You just need to change the value data to 1. After that close out of here and go ahead and restore your PC for Mac changes. After that you should good to go guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.